Happy Sunday everyone. I hope everyone's had a lovely weekend. So today I thought I'd do a little video of a tour around my dressing room. So in the description and the comments I will put where I got most of the furniture from, because I did it on quite a tight budget, because when I started doing it we'd not long moved into our first house, so you know we couldn't spend a lot of money on it. So I'll put the costs and stuff like that for like the wardrobe, the dressing table, the chair. But if there's anything else that you see in the video that you like and you'd quite like to know where it's from and how much it costs, then please, you know, send me a message, comment, and just ask me where I got it from, and I'll let you know. So yeah, it's going to be really short today. It's not going to be as long as the other ones, even though they weren't very long. So yeah, it's just going to be a little tour around. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe and leave me any comments if there's anything that you want to know. Also, if there's any videos that you'd like to see me do, then please do let me know. Enjoy the rest. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Everything is a lot on me. I cannot be seen, I cannot be taking apologies. Yeah, they proud on me, cause that bag on me. Yeah, they after me. I got rags on me, got the stash on me. Think they gassing me, yeah. Hoodie on low, but I stay focused, yeah. It's hard to stay low and everybody know this, yeah. Look back at it, she ain't never do this before, but she good at it. Said she never made love, but she good at it. She make it feel good when I look at it. I get goosebumps when I look at it. Oh, girl just wanna have fun with it. All the girls just wanna have fun with me. These girls ain't really no good for me, yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah, got a new biz that I ain't promoting. Yeah, all of my friends love money doing. Da 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 da.